CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol, and LLDP, Link Layer Discovery Protocol, are two networking protocols that facilitate the discovery and exchange of information between devices on a local area network, LAN. These protocols play a crucial role in modern network management, enabling network administrators to gain valuable insights into the network topology and device connectivity. Cisco Discovery Protocol, CDP, is a proprietary Layer 2 protocol developed by Cisco. It facilitates the discovery of neighboring Cisco devices on the same data link layer, such as Ethernet. CDP allows devices to obtain critical information about each other, such as the platform type, the version of Cisco IOS running, the IP address of the neighbor, and the interfaces used for connecting. This information is invaluable for network administrators to manage and troubleshoot their network effectively. CDP operates by having Cisco devices periodically send CDP packets out of their interfaces. These packets contain information about the device and its interfaces. Neighboring Cisco devices, upon receiving these CDP packets, store the information in their CDP table. The CDP table allows administrators to see which devices are directly connected and the details of the connections. CDP simplifies network administration by automating the crucial task of identifying Cisco devices within the network, minimizing the reliance on manual configurations. Its automatic discovery mechanism enables devices to share essential information about themselves and their connections with neighboring Cisco devices. This not only streamlines the setup process, but also facilitates troubleshooting procedures. With CDP's assistance, network administrators gain valuable insights into the topology of the network and the interconnected relationships between devices. By having access to such comprehensive information, they can diagnose and address connectivity issues more efficiently, accelerating the resolution process and ensuring smoother network operations. Enabling and verifying CDP on a Cisco router is a straightforward process. First, to enable CDP on a specific interface, you need to access the router's configuration mode and then enter the interface configuration mode for the desired interface. By using the command CDP enable, CDP will be activated on that particular interface. Once CDP is enabled on the interface, you can verify the information about neighboring Cisco devices by using the command show CDP neighbors. This command provides a concise and informative output, displaying details such as the device ID of neighboring devices, the local interface to which they are connected, and the corresponding remote interface on the neighboring device. This information is valuable for network administrators as it allows them to quickly identify and understand the connected devices and their respective interfaces, simplifying network management, troubleshooting, and ensuring a well-configured and efficient network environment. Link Layer Discovery Protocol, LLDP, is an IEEE 802.1ab standard protocol used for neighbor discovery. Like CDP, LLDP enables devices to exchange essential information about each other. However, LLDP is vendor neutral, making it compatible with devices from multiple vendors, promoting interoperability. LLDP operates similarly to CDP. Devices periodically send LLDP packets out of their interfaces, and neighboring devices store the received LLDP information in their respective tables. LLDP offers valuable advantages in network environments characterized by diverse hardware and equipment from various vendors. Being vendor neutral, LLDP facilitates seamless communication and discovery between devices from different manufacturers, promoting interoperability in heterogeneous network setups. This capability ensures that devices can exchange essential information and work together harmoniously, regardless of their brand or origin. Moreover, LLDP goes beyond just Cisco devices, providing network administrators with critical insights into non-Cisco devices present in the network. This includes information about the device type, capabilities, system name, and interface connections. By gaining visibility into both Cisco and non-Cisco devices through LLDP, network administrators can maintain comprehensive network documentation, streamline troubleshooting procedures, and ensure smooth operations across the entire network infrastructure. In a practical scenario, let's consider a network administrator who wants to enable and use LLDP, Link Layer Discovery Protocol, on a Cisco device to facilitate device discovery and information exchange in the network. First, to enable LLDP globally on the Cisco device, the administrator will use the command LLDP run in the global configuration mode. By enabling LLDP globally, the Cisco device will start transmitting and receiving LLDP packets, allowing it to discover and communicate with neighboring devices. Next, if the administrator wishes to enable LLDP on a specific interface, such as Gigabit Ethernet 0/1, they will access the interface configuration mode and use the commands LLDP transmit and LLDP receive. With these commands, LLDP will be activated on the specified interface, enabling it to transmit LLDP packets to its neighbors and also receive LLDP packets from neighboring devices. Finally, to verify the LLDP information and check the devices discovered by LLDP, the administrator can use the command show LDP neighbors. Upon executing this command, the Cisco device will display valuable information about neighboring devices, including their system name, capabilities, and management addresses. This information will assist the network administrator in gaining insights into the connected devices, understanding their capabilities, and aiding in network documentation and troubleshooting efforts. By following these steps and utilizing LLDP, the network administrator can effectively discover and manage neighboring devices in the network, ensuring smooth operations and efficient network management. Consider a network with a mix of Cisco and non-Cisco devices. By enabling both CDP and LLDP, network administrators can have a comprehensive view of all connected devices, regardless of their vendor. This knowledge allows them to identify potential connectivity issues, ensure proper device compatibility, and streamline the troubleshooting process. We hope this video helped you on your journey towards becoming a cybersecurity expert. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you found our videos helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share them with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to check out the links and description for our Anki flashcards and to donate to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Your support can make a real difference in the lives of those in need. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.